All right, guys, so now we're going to have some fun with graphs. Now, if you read this, graph the equation y equals negative 3x plus 5, you have to remember what all of these pieces mean. Now, I don't have my stylus with me at home, so I'm actually going to type some stuff, which is a little weird, I know, but just bear with me. Just know that this negative 3 right here is your slope. All right, I'm going to move that over so you know that that's what that is. And then I'm going to keep going, and that plus 5, remember that that's your y-intercept. Okay, so your slope goes with that negative 3, and the y-intercept goes with that plus 5. So let's grab our highlighter, and we're going to plot that plus 5. So we're going to go straight up the y-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're going to put a point right there. Then we're going to look at this slope. Now it says negative 3, but we know that to count slope, you have to have a fraction. So you divide by 1, and it stays the same. So let's go ahead. If we have a negative, we go down first. 1, 2, 3, and then right 1. Whatever number is under this, that's how far you're going to go right. And then that is the graph of this line right here. And I'm going to go ahead and get the line tool and show you what it looks like if you actually put a line through it. There you go. Remember, any 2 points form a line. Now, let's go to the next one and see what we have to work with there. All right, this says write the equation of the graph. So this time we're going to look at the graph, and I have the kind of the pattern here. Y equals mx plus b. The m is your slope. The plus b is your y-intercept. So let's start there. I'm going to look at the y-axis, and that line is going straight through 1, a positive 1. So I'm going to go ahead, and I know this may seem strange, but I'm going to type the y-intercept first. I may be sorry I'm doing that, but I'm going to do it. So plus 1. Now in front of the y-intercept, I know there's going to be an x, all right? But I know I have to come up with my slope. So I'm going to get my highlighter, and I'm going to put a point right here on that 1. And then I'm going to go down and find my next point that's right on the corner, okay? So I'm going to count down 1, and if I go down, I know it's a negative 1, and then I draw a line, and then I'm going to count to my right. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that means the slope of this line is negative 1 over 5. So I'm going to put that right here. Negative 1 divided by 5. And I'm going to make sure that my whole equation fits there. And there you go. You've got negative 1.5x plus 1. That is the equation of this line right here. All right? If you have any questions or need any help, make sure to reach out to us.